do a trial headlight restoration using this Bass Motor headlight restoration kit. So I'll just show you what the headlights look at the moment. This is what the headlights look at the moment, very yellow. This is on our 2007 Alphard. Let me go back to this one. You can see very yellow. This is what you get in the kit. Polish paste, all the different sanding discs, the foam polishing disc, the drill attachment, UV liquid and a masking tape. That's the first which is going to mask up the headlights as per the instructions. So that's the masking all the way down. These are the different discs you get: 800, 1200, 1500, 2000 and 3000. There is a QR code on the box for instructional video, but it's in Spanish. There are subtitles, but there are English written instructions in the box as well. We've cleaned the headlights. Now it says to moisten the 800 sandpaper before attaching it. We've got this spray thing, water in it. With our own, they don't supply this. Attach that to there, and then we'll get on with the first thing, which says 10 minutes gently going horizontally on the headlight. Spray the headlights with. For 10 minutes of this today. We'll come back in a little bit and have a look, see how we're doing. So this is about 10 minutes of going horizontal with the 800. So now we're going to put over to the next sandpaper. By the way, I've been keeping this moist, but I keep spraying it with water. So that's it after the 800. 10 minutes of doing that. So now we're going to go for the 1200. So let's say to do this one perfectly. We'll come back after I've been doing this for 10 minutes. So we've just finished the 1200. Give it a wipe over, and now we're going to go for the 1500 for another 7 to 10 minutes. So it's nearly finished with the 1500. You can see it's looking better already, but we'll come back once we've finished this one. So that's with the 2000s done. It's still looking a bit iffy, but So now we're going to go for the 3000, which is the final sanding disc. Okay, so we're going to get it wet and then another 5 to 10 minutes. So this is after the 3000 thing, which is the last sandpaper. So now we're going to use the polishing sponge and the polishing paste, which we have to moisten slightly and add a little bit of paste every 1 to 2 minutes, and then polish for 7 to 10 minutes apparently until the desired effect. So we'll be back in a minute and show you what's going on there. So this is the polishing light pressure. Apply more of the paste every 1 to 2 minutes. So we've just finished all that needs to go on. There's the UV protection. I'll just show you compared to what it was like. So this is applying the UV protector. Overall, headlights are great.